Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about the amazing health benefits of orange. Known for its vibrant color and delicious taste, oranges are a great source of nutrients that can greatly benefit our well-being. First and foremost, oranges are packed with vitamin C, which is known as the immune vitamin because it helps boost our immune system. Consuming vitamin C regularly can help prevent cold and flu infections, and even reduce the severity of existing symptoms. Plus, oranges are also a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Another fantastic benefit of oranges is their high concentration of antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. The vitamin C in oranges also plays a crucial role in the body's ability to absorb iron. So eating oranges can help prevent iron deficiency anemia. Oranges are also a great source of vitamin B6, which is essential for brain function and the production of hormones. Additionally, oranges contain small amounts of potassium, which is essential for maintaining proper fluid balance and muscle function. Lastly, the orange peel contains flavonoids, which have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases. The peel is also rich in pectin, which can help lower cholesterol levels and aid in digestion. In conclusion, oranges are a nutritious and delicious fruit that offers numerous health benefits. Enjoy them in your diet as a refreshing snack or as a part of a balanced meal to reap their vitamin and antioxidant powers.